Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Oportun, a financial services company found at www.oportun.com. Oportun offers a variety of financial products, making it a one-stop shop for many common financial needs. Navigating their website, you'll discover a range of options, including personal loans, which can be useful for consolidating debt, covering unexpected expenses, or financing a significant purchase. They also provide auto loans, assisting individuals in acquiring a vehicle, whether new or used. Oportun's offerings extend beyond lending, encompassing secured credit cards, a valuable tool for building or rebuilding credit. These secured cards require a security deposit which typically serves as your credit limit, minimizing risk and promoting responsible credit usage. Furthermore, Oportun offers a user-friendly online platform and mobile app, allowing customers to manage their accounts conveniently and securely. The platform likely features tools to track payments, view statements, and potentially even access educational resources on financial wellness. While exploring Oportun's website, be sure to delve into the specific terms and conditions associated with each product to ensure they align with your individual financial circumstances and goals. It's crucial to thoroughly understand the interest rates, repayment schedules, and any applicable fees before making a financial commitment. Keep in mind, my experience with Oportun may differ from yours, so conducting your own research is essential. You can compare their offerings with other financial institutions to find the best fit for your needs. Remember to check the description for the link to their website, www.oportun.com.